If you've been shopping for homes around Atlanta lately, you've probably noticed something. Buyers are paying significantly more for homes that are already updated, even when cheaper homes are available nearby. And there are some good reasons why. The biggest reason is that renovation costs have changed dramatically. Materials cost more, labor costs more, and projects almost always take longer and cost more than buyers expect. The hidden expense isn't always money, it's time. Many buyers are working full time, raising families, traveling, or simply don't want to spend the next year coordinating contractors and living through renovations. For many buyers, convenience has become a form of value. They're willing to pay more today to avoid stress tomorrow. And that's creating a premium for move in ready homes throughout Atlanta. That doesn't mean outdated homes are bad purchases. Sometimes they create the best opportunities. If the location is strong and the major systems are solid, cosmetic updates can create real value over time. The renovations that often create the most value are kitchens, bathrooms, flooring, lighting, and paint. But expensive upgrades that don't improve daily living may not return what homeowners expect. For sellers, strategic improvements usually matter more than complete renovations. The question isn't whether updated homes cost more, they usually do. The real question is whether buying convenience or creating value makes more sense for your situation. If this video was helpful, hit like and subscribe for more Atlanta real estate advice every week. And if you're buying, selling, relocating, or simply trying to figure out your next move, reach out. I'd be happy to help.